Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your footage so Lockdown has clean data to work with. Import the clip and create a comp at the native frame rate and resolution, then scrub for a clear reference frame. Once found, apply Lockdown to the layer and switch to the wire tool. Make a compact mesh around the area you want to pin. Do this now, avoid huge meshes. Once done, set a short series of guide points to anchor motion. This saves time later. You refine the mesh by adding density where the surface bends and spacing verts wider on flat areas. Then switch Lockdown to tracking mode and choose 3 to 6 reliable points, high contrast features that survive occlusion. Once locked, let the automatic track run, but skim the timeline and correct drift manually on problem frames. Nudging a vertex is faster than rerunning full tracks. Make sure to tweak stiffness and smoothness. Finish by exporting a stabilized or clean plate from Lockdown to use in compositing. Render as lossless sequence to preserve edges. Then composite your fix layer over the original, using keyframe masks to hide any residual seam. Feather slightly so the join blends. If you still see tearing or slipping, reopen Lockdown, add local verts to increase mesh density, or retrack the affected segment rather than redoing the whole comp. If nothing works, toggle rigid mode briefly to diagnose.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.